So in this video, I'm going to be introducing you to the word hacking and also telling you who are the different types of hackers that we have in the world and why learn hacking. So let's get started. So what is hacking? Hacking is usually doing something which you are not allowed to do. For example, viewing a page that you don't have permissions to, or viewing some information or gaining access to a computer that you don't have permission to. That is what hacking is. Now, there are many kinds of hacking. For example, email hacking, computer hacking, server hacking, and web application hacking. So, who are the different types of hackers that we have in the world? There are mainly three kinds of hackers: black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and a grey hat hacker. Black hat hackers are the ones who hack into the system for their own benefits without permission. They just hack into systems to steal money, to steal passwords, to steal information, anything, all for their own benefits. And that kind of hackers are called black hat hackers. Now, coming to the white hat hackers, those are the ones who hack into the systems with permission. They hack into the system, they report the vulnerability so that we could fix them later. And that kind of hackers are called white hat hackers. They just hack into systems with permission. And of course, they use the same methods as black hat hackers use, just to hack into the system or hack into server or anything. They use the same methods used by black hat hackers but with permission. And finally, coming to grey hat hacker, those are the ones who hack into the systems without permission, but even after hacking into the system, they do nothing. They don't get any passwords, they don't steal any money, anything. They just hack into the system without permission, and also they might report the vulnerabilities to the system administrator. And that kind of hacker is called a grey hat hacker. And of course, in this ethical hacking for absolute beginner series, we are going to be white hat hackers. We are good. Great. Now, why learn ethical hacking? Hacking is actually a current field with a lot of job opportunities. Well, if you might have heard of Sony Hack, so basically companies like Sony and other companies are hiring hackers so that they could just hack into their systems, so that they could know what are the vulnerabilities that their network or system has, so that they could fix them. So that is the reason they hire hackers, and also they pay you depending on how dangerous the exploit is. So of course, ethical hacking is a lot of interesting subject, and I'm going to be teaching all kinds of hacking in this ethical hacking for absolute beginner series. You're going to be learning Wi-Fi hacking, computer hacking, website hacking, and everything. So we are going to be learning a lot of hacking in upcoming videos. So that's it for this video, guys.